Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we will discuss the poem Seeds composed by Walter de la Mare. Now open your Fragrance English Reader book at page number 20. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand summary, word meanings, phrases and explanation of the poem. Now students, before beginning with the poem, I will tell you about the poet. Walter de la Mare is a well-known British poet, a short story writer and a novelist who has written a number of poems and stories for children. His first book of poems was Songs of Childhood. Now students, I will tell you the brief summary of the poem. This poem Seeds describes how a frail seedling attains strength to survive in the difficulties of the world. This beautiful poem tells us about the growth of a tiny seedling into a tough and sturdy plant. Now students, we will discuss the summary in detail. In this poem Seeds, the poet had described the difference between strong and weak. The seedling, though frail and small, it was actually tough and sturdy. The poet had said that he had sowed seeds some days ago, but he had not seen those seeds for weeks. After few weeks, he saw some tiny green shoots in the ground. The plant had just sprouted, but it was too small that even small pebbles would hide them. These pebbles, which were of size cherry's seed, were lying nearby but could not hide the sprouted plants, as they had pushed themselves little up to stand in sunlight and see the day. Now students, let us read the first stanza. The seeds I sowed, for weeks unseen, have pushed up pygmy shoots of green. So frail you would think the tiniest stone would never let a glimpse be shown. Now students, mark word meanings and phrases in this stanza. Underline the word sowed and the meaning is planted in the ground. Next word is pygmy and the breakup of the word is pygmy and the meaning is very short. Next word is frail. Write down the meaning very weak. Next word is glimpse and the meaning is a quick sight. Now students, mark phrases for weeks unseen. राइट डाउन सप्ताह के लिए अनदेखी, ऑफ ग्रीन हरे रंग की. Now students, I will tell you the reference to context of the poem. These lines have been taken from the poem Seeds, composed by Walter de la Mare. In this poem, the poet describes how a frail seedling attains strength to survive in the difficulties of the world. Now students, I will tell you the explanation of the first stanza. Let us read the lines again. The seeds I sowed, for weeks unseen, have pushed up pygmy shoots of green. In these lines, the poet says that he had sowed seeds some days ago, but he had not seen those seeds for weeks. After some days, he noticed that the plant had pushed itself up to the surface of the ground and the seeds had sprouted into tiny green shoots. So students, what did the poet notice after some days? After some days, the poet noticed that the seeds had sprouted into tiny green shoots. Come to the next lines. So frail you would think the tiniest stone would never let a glimpse be shown. Here, the poet had described the condition of the plant. He said that the plants were too small and weak that even small pebbles would hide them. So students, what was the condition of the plant? The plant was too small and weak to be hidden with the pebble lying nearby. Now students, I hope that the explanation of the first stanza is clear to everyone, and on the basis of this explanation you will be able to answer these questions. Question number 1. What happened to the seeds sowed by the poet? Question number 2. The poet notices that here you have 3 options and you have to tick the correct answer. Option A is the seeds have sprouted into tiny green shoots. Option B, the seeds have not yet sprouted. Option C, the seeds have grown into a mature plant. Question number 3 is, describe the condition of the plant when it had pushed itself up to the surface of the ground. And question number 4 is, what do you think, were the seeds strong or frail? So students, in today's video we have discussed summary, word meanings, phrases and explanation of the first stanza. Further, we will continue in our next video. Till that, you have to read the poem again and again for better understanding. Thank you.